Now, the Mumbai police has downgraded security cover of 40 celebrities, including superstars Aamir Khan and Shah Rukh Khan. The police confirmed that they were providing security to around 40 Bollywood celebrities, but they downgraded the security for some and completely removed the security for others after an assessment of the threat was conducted. The number of celebrities given full security cover has now reduced to 15 personalities against whom there are genuine threat perception. Sources say the celebrities whose security has been completely withdrawn include Vidhu Vinod Chopra, Rajkumar Hirani, Farah Khan, while security cover remains intact for celebrities like Amitabh Bachchan, Lata Mangeshkar, Akshay Kumar, Dilip Kumar. Now, the Mumbai police said after Shah Rukh Khan and Aamir made comments on intolerance, they had provided round-the-clock security to the two actors. The cover including 2 armed constables, an armed guard on 2 shifts and an armed escort vehicle. Following the recent assessment, they pulled out the escorts and the armed in charge. Now only 2 armed constables will cover them in 2 shifts. I want to connect to my colleague Shilpa Ratnam. You know, Shilpa, this withdrawal of security comes after heavy criticism on what Shah Rukh Khan and Aamir Khan had said on the debate of intolerance. They might not be connected at all, but you know, you can't blame people for drawing comparisons.
Completely, especially considering the kind of outrage that followed their comments, the kind of demonstrations that took place, be it against Aamir Khan or Shah Rukh, you know, the kind of the protests that followed, you know, after their statements. It seemed natural that security would have been beefed up, and it was increased after those comments. We've reported right from, you know, I'm outside Shah Rukh Khan's residence here, and we have reported from here, Mannat had turned into a fortress at that time. But the police has since lessened the cover, and now it has been scaled down to only 2 constables, and the armed guard that was there on 2 shifts has been removed, and so has the armed escort vehicle. Now, sources close to Shah Rukh Khan, however, tell us that while eyebrows are being raised, you know, in light of his comments on intolerance, and you know, considering the outrage still continues, the police cover has been removed. But however, sources close to him tell us that he had approached the police and asked for security to be lessened. So that's what sources close to Shah Rukh Khan are saying, that despite eyebrows being raised, you know, that his team was very happy with the kind of protection that was provided to him post the comments that he made, that the government was completely on their side, and they did provide round-the-clock security to the actor.
Okay, what kind of reactions are you getting in, you know, Shilpa? Have you, you know, been speaking to somebody, you know, from Shah Rukh Khan the camp or Aamir Khan's camp? Have you been able to get in a word from them? And, you know, there is an issue there, because if you look at it, what is it that warrants security for Akshay Kumar and warrants downgrading security for the likes of Shah Rukh?
Completely. You make a very valid point, Preeti. Especially, you know, number one factor that Shah Rukh is undeniably one of the biggest stars in the country. He has received threats in the past as well. In 2014, he had threats from gangster Ravi Pujari, for instance, and you know, late last year, his comments on intolerance, of course, provoked a lot of outrage against him as well. So, especially in public perception, the threat to Shah Rukh Khan seems more. But the police conduct these routine audits, and they, in their audit checks, have found that perhaps the security given to Shah Rukh, you know, could be lessened. But let's remember that this is the government security that is provided to him. His entourage, of course, stays intact. His personal security entourage, of course, stays intact. So it's no less easier to get to Shah Rukh than it was, you know, any time before.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Shilpa. You know what we're going to do is we're going to come back to you for more updates on that story.
Pictures of the Parliament building in Delhi, pictures of Rajpath, pictures of several other sensitive...